Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. Basic Spanish Lessons. Lesson 2. Adjectives. Characteristics of Spanish adjectives. In Spanish, the characteristics of adjectives and nouns are similar, which means the genders in singular plural forms must match the preceding nouns. Rule number 1. If an adjective ends with an O, change O to A and you'll get the feminine form of the adjective. For example, the above adjectives all mean handsome. Guapo, bello, llamativo, hermoso, atractivo, lindo. If you change them into A endings, it will become feminine form and the meaning will change to beautiful. Guapa, bella, llamativa, hermosa, atractiva, linda. Rule number 2. If an adjective ends with a vowel, the plural form is constructed by adding an s at the end of a word. If an adjective ends with a consonant, adding es at the end of the word becomes plural form. For example, Casablanca, casas blancas. Amigo común, amigos comunes. Rule number 3. Generally, adjectives are placed after nouns. However, adjectives placed before nouns are used to make emphasis or change meanings. Some commonly used adjectives are listed below. Please repeat after me. Blanco, blanca. White. Negro, negra. Black. Grande, big. Pequeño, pequeña. Small. Lindo, linda. Beautiful. Feo, fea. Ugly. Útil, useful. Inútil, useless. Bueno, buena. Good. Malo, mala. Bad. Fácil, easy. Difícil, difficult. Antiguo, antigua. Ancient. Next, we'll cover some in-class exercises. See you in the next video.